Hi, it's Marta in Spanish. So, do you want to learn Ser and Estar with me? Do you want to practice with me? Keep on watching and remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe, okay? So, when do we use ser and when do we use estar? Ser is for permanent situations, okay? We can also use it to describe, okay? And estar is for temporary situations and for location. Okay, that's like the rule of thumb. So let's do some examples together and we can know the main difference. We can learn the main difference. Okay, so for example, ¿qué es eso? Eso es un avión. Okay, what is that? That is a plane. So I'm identifying something. Okay, then we use ser. Okay, another one. Luis es médico. We are giving an information. What's the occupation of Luis? Okay, Luis es médico, okay? It's a permanent situation. Okay, to describe, for example, el niño es travieso, okay? The boy is naughty, so he is like that. It's permanent situation. Maybe now, maybe he will change, but at least now he's like that. Okay, so, el libro es aburrido. The book is boring, okay? It's what it is, it's boring, okay? Permanent situation. Let's move to estar, okay? Estar is for temporary situations and condition and location. For example, ¿dónde está María? ¿Dónde está María? Okay, where is Mary? María está en su habitación. So it's a temporary situation. She is in her bedroom now, okay? Está en su habitación ahora, okay? And location too, here. Estoy constipado, okay? That means that you're sick, but it's a temporary situation, okay? You're not going to be sick forever. So, estoy constipado. Okay, another one is, for example, estoy aburrido. I am bored. Estoy aburrido ahora, okay? In this moment. I am bored now, but I'm not a boring person, okay? I am bored now. It's a temporary situation. Okay. So, let's practice together, okay? If I say, hola, ¿qué tal? What would you say? Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal estás? Okay? And if I say to you, plural, ¿qué tal estáis? If it's vosotros, okay? And if you use ustedes, ¿qué tal están ustedes? Okay? And I can answer back, estamos fenomenal. We are great, estamos. Nosotros estamos fenomenal. Okay? Great. Another one. Mi perro guapo. What would you say? I'm describing my dog. So, mi perro, what would you say? ¿Es guapo or está guapo? Mi perro es guapo. Okay. And if I say that he is looking good today, I can say está guapo hoy. Okay? But only if I'm referring to this moment. Okay? Okay, great. Another one. ¿Dónde mi chaqueta nueva? So, where is my new jacket? ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde es mi chaqueta nueva? ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está? Okay? Okay, another one. Mañana nos vamos de viaje. So, tomorrow we're going on a trip. Muy nerviosos. Very nervous. What would it be? ¿Somos muy nerviosos o estamos muy nerviosos? Estamos muy nerviosos. Great. If I say somos muy nerviosos, that means that we are a nervous, people are a nervous person, okay? We are nervous, okay? Great. So that is it. I hope you have understood everything. As always, if you have any doubt, just send me a DM. And you know that I have my link for the Spanish cheat sheet. It's free. It's a free download that you can get it for free and start studying Spanish. It has audio too, so that you can get used to the pronunciation, okay, and the sound of Spanish. And also I have many products that can help you, and I give one-on-one classes, okay? So if you have any doubts, leave a comment below, send me an email, okay? And see you in my next one. Bye!